for this book, right?
Yeah.
So you guys are familiar with chapter books?
Yes.
So Ms. Herzog and Ms. Howard wanted to make sure we started to fatten you guys up. So they got you little cauldrons with candy. Your names are on them.
Manor Schoolhouse Foundation.
She's going to read the last 2 chapters with us. Do you want her to do that? Yes? All right.
Thank you so much for the books.
I hope the book is amazing.
It's scared. I like scary books.
Okay. Why would you like to read that book?
Because at the same time, it might be about witches.
It has like very funny things and also scary stuff in it.
All like to have a chapter book of your own with your name on it for you to keep forever. Yes?
A brand new book with your name on it.
Whose is it?